on to our next lesson, chapter 2. It's about degree of comparison. Okay. Okay, already ya, simple present and present continuous review already done. Okay, degree of comparison. Degree of comparison, we have three kinds here. There are positive, comparative, and superlative. Ya, jadi degree of comparison ini bahasa Indonesianya tingkat perbandingan dan menggunakan adjective atau kata sifat dalam bahasa Indonesia. For example, positive. She is as young as her friend. Ya, dia muda seperti ya temannya. Ya, yang di sini adalah kata sifat. Ya, she is as young as her friend. Ini yang disebut dalam bentuk positive in degree of comparison. The second one, comparative. For example, she is younger than her brother. Ya, dia lebih muda daripada saudara laki-lakinya, ya, atau abangnya atau kakaknya, gitu ya. Dapat penambahan er and then. Ya, ini perbandingannya. She is younger than her brother. And the third is superlative. The baby is the youngest child. Yeah, the baby is the youngest child. Take a look at the picture. Ya, superlative artinya paling. Ya, jadi di sini bayi itu ya paling muda. Ya, anak yang paling muda. Menambah imbuhan the, kemudian belakangnya kata sifat adjective itu ditambahin est. Okay, next. Before you know that adjective, there is always have to put the to be, ya kan? To be atau kata kerja bantu seperti ini. I using am, he, it, she, is, it, is, and we are, you are, they are. Oke, subjek ini bisa diganti dengan nama. Misalnya Maria, berarti diganti dengan she. And then we, for example, I and you, misalnya kayak gitu. Atau they, misalnya Sarah and John, ya, become they. Okay, so depend on the subject when you use the to be. Okay, for example, wait there. For example, for positive, subject plus to be plus s plus adjective and s. Take a look at here. Do you know who are they? They are mother and daughter, right? Wulan Guritno and Shalom. So the sentence will be Shalom is as beautiful as her mother. Ya kan, Shalom sama cantiknya, ya. Shalom sama cantiknya dengan ibunya. Okay, take a look at this. There are a boy and also his grandma. Yeah, the boy is younger than his grandma, or you can say that his grandma is older than the boy. Ya, ini untuk yang disebut yang menggunakan one syllable, ya, one or two syllable. Syllable itu suku kata yang big, tall, gitu ya, short, gitu. Jadi penambahannya pakai er and then. Nah, this one also. Ben is taller than Bill. This is Ben, and this is Bill. Or you can say that Bill is shorter than Ben. Ya, jadi bisa dibalik-balik. Jadi dalam satu kalimat, misalnya Miss kasih satu kata tall, and you can say in two kinds of sentences. Nah, in comparative, besides using one or two syllable, satu atau dua suku kata, ada juga yang lebih dari dua suku kata, ya, more than two syllable. And then kalau lebih dari dua suku kata, dia perbandingannya menggunakan more, nggak pakai er belakangnya, ya kan? This is the difference. Tetap pakai then, hanya penambahan katanya itu more, bukannya er di belakang adjective, ya. Karena ini kan famous, ya kan? So become like this. Agnes Monica is more famous than Leodra. Ya, bukannya jadi famouser, ya, tapi more famous. Ini untuk perbandingannya. Untuk menjadikan superlatif seperti apa? Ini dia. Ya, seperti yang tadi Miss jelaskan, one or two syllables, for example, like short, big, tall, ya, become the superlatifnya menjadi she is the tallest girl in the class. Ya, dia adalah anak perempuan yang paling tinggi di dalam kelas. Ya, kalau udah superlatif itu menyatakan paling, berarti nggak ada bandingannya, gitu kan? Karena udah yang paling tinggi, karena udah yang paling, seperti itu. Nah, kemudian if there are more than two syllables, for example like wonderful, beautiful, famous, ini ada tiga, ya, wonderful, beautiful, ya kan? Lebih dari tiga suku kata, itu menyatakan menggunakan the plus more plus adjective, nggak pakai more, ya. Perhatikan baik-baik. Kalau more itu berarti ada perbandingannya, ada bandingan dengan yang lain, ada objek yang lain. Tapi kalau sudah menggunakan most, itu hanya satu, karena pengertiannya adalah yang paling, sudah nggak ada bandingannya. Oke? For example, Michael Jordan is the most famous basketball player. Ya, do you know Michael Jordan? Ya, pemain basket, ya. Okay, now let's practice. Are you ready? You can unmute your microphone. Open your camera, please, so I can see you.
Yeah, you can read your worksheet page 17, ya. 17 until 18 about degree of comparison.
Yes.
Bisa buka LKS-nya, ya, halaman 17 sampai 18. Dibaca dulu, ya.
Oke. Okay, we have two pencils here. There are pencil A and pencil B. Any of you want to answer the question by using comparison? Volunteer, please. Pencil A and pencil B, or should I ask you and randomly? Atau Miss panggil secara acak?
Ini bisa menggunakan short atau tall ya. Coba ayo siapa yang mau coba long, short and long. Siapa yang mau coba? Ya, dengar. Pensil A is shorter than
Apa nih? This apa nih the microphone? Apa the microphone? Sorry, you can.
Pencil A is shorter than pencil B.
Pardon? Can you repeat once more?
Pencil A is shorter than pencil B.
Pencil A is shorter than pencil B. Okay, good. How about the other? How about the other? Yang lain? Bisa juga dibalik, misalnya jadinya gimana? Pencil B by using long.
Pencil B
Ya.
is longer than pencil A.
Good. Yes, pencil B is longer than pencil A. Good. Okay, how about this? We have three face masks here. Face mask A, B, and C. What do you think?
ini ya ada 22 cm, 24 cm, 26 cm.
Kira-kira pakai apa nih katanya? Adjektifnya, kata sifatnya. Yes. How about use small? Any of you? Ayo coba. Please kasih clue tuh dari dapat adjektifnya itu pakai small. Misalnya kayak gimana?
Max I is the smallest max.
Yes, yes. The face mask A is the smallest.
Max.
Is the smallest face mask. Good. Yeah. Face mask A is the smallest face mask. How about if you use the comparison? Kalau comparisonnya gimana pertanyaannya? Ayo, boleh A ke B or A to B and C. Bisa. Girl please. Perempuan dong, Miss mau dengar suaranya. Yes. Ya.
Ayo yang belakangnya IR deh,
Iya. Perbandingan. Tadi kan sudah pakai superlatif kan?
Yang B, yang KS kamu contohnya halaman 17 yang B, yang komparatif.
Tadi kan sudah yang superlatif. Face mask A is the smallest face mask. Good, excellent ya, sudah betul. How about if I want you to make it comparison? Di perbandingannya seperti apa?
Mass I is smaller than mass B and mass C.
Yes, you're right. Good. Siapa? Renard. Only Renard. Yang lain mana? Ya, jadi bisa seperti itu ya. Face mask A is smaller then fast must be and C. Good.
Oh, ini ditulis kan.
Like this ya. Fast must A is smaller than, ingat ya, pakai ER kalau untuk perbandingan. Then fast must B and C. Oke.
Oh ya, sorry, Zaki ya. Yang jawab tadi. Thank you, Jackie.
Oh, Jackie. Excellent, Jackie. You did a great job. Next. Nah, ini ya, kalau pakai superlative. Fast must A is the smallest fast must. Okay, how about this? We have two houses here. There are Mrs. Smith's house and Mrs. John's house. And the two is using wonderful. Okay, who wants to try the answer? Yeah.
Di labelnya ada berapa ya? Berapa suku kata wonderful? Ada yang tahu nggak? Wonderful. 3 suku kata. Berarti pakai apa tuh? Yang jawab.
Ayo. You can do it. Wonderful. Coba gimana? Mrs. Smith's house and Mrs. John's house. Miss mau? Miss mau ini pakai positif. Kalau positif itu gimana? Using as, adjective as, right? So Mrs. Smith's house is wonderful, is as wonderful as Mrs. John's house. Ya kan, sama bagusnya kan? Ya kan, ini ada what is this? Pool ya, swimming pool, and this one also. Ya kan, jadi Mrs. Smith's house is as wonderful as Mrs. John's house.
Ya, Rena udah jawab nih. Good.
Oh, check.
Rena udah jawab nih. Mrs. Smith's house is as wonderful as Mrs. John's house.
Oke. Kalau kita bikin di perbandingannya gimana? Bisa nggak? Terserah kalian. You can choose which one is the beautiful, the wonderful one. Bisa Mrs. Smith's house, it's okay.
Yeah.
If you want Mrs. John's house, it's okay. Up to you. Coba, bikin perbandingannya gimana?
Nih, Faras bilang katanya Mrs. Smith is more wonderful than Mrs. John's house. Yes, good. Pinter.
Good, Faras. Can you open the microphone so I can hear you? Hear your voice? No chatting? It's okay. Jangan malu-malu.
Ya, Faras Hidayat nih dari kelas 8A.
Oke, thank you. Excellent ya. Good. Kalau misalnya pakai superlatif gimana? Kalau superlatif gimana?
Mr. Smith's house is the most wonderful house.
Okay, Mrs. Smith's house, the most wonderful house. Correct. Good. Nice. I'm so happy if you know the answer. Yang lain gimana nih? Yang lain ngerti tapi kan? Okay. Only that is very easy, right? Any question? Ada pertanyaan nggak?
No.